Does your child talk back or argue with you when you ask him or her to do something? Man, that can be so frustrating as a parent because you want to say something and be done. You want to ask them to do something and that's that. And then they ask why or they push back. We have 7 children. And when that started to happen, at first we were frustrated and we wanted to say, hey, no talking back. How dare you ask? Like, we're the authority around here. But then we realized something incredibly important that changed our whole family dynamic and the way we raised our children. We realized that talking back and asking why was a great opportunity. They were actually thinking and they were pushing back. They're trying to analyze. And especially as they become teens, they're pushing for independence. They want to think for themselves. And so it's a wonderful biological process that they're resisting a little and asking hard questions and questioning you and your authority. That's really good unless you want them to be living in your basement when they're 30. But it has to be done with respect, right? So I'm not advocating being disrespectful here. Kids have to learn respect, but 100%, I want my children to question authority figures. I want them to think critically. If they don't understand something, I want them to speak up and say, hey, wait a minute, that doesn't make sense to me. Why? Can you explain that? Help me understand it. And that's a great thing, and it leads to incredible discussions. So now, my wife and I, we encourage our kids to talk back, to question us. And it rarely happens anymore because we've learned that if we're going to ask them to do something or we're going to tell them something, we go in with a great reason first. We talk about it, we explore it, we take it like a rotisserie chicken and see it from every angle, and we help them understand. So when we make the ask or the request, they're like, yeah, I get it. It makes sense. They may not always like it, but they understand it. And what that did is it helped us become better parents and more able to understand and articulate, especially at a level that they'll understand. And it helps them to think through things and not just blindly go along and not just blindly do what they're told. I don't want my kids to just do whatever they're told. If some authority figure, anybody just tells them to do something, okay, they just do it. No way. I want them to think. I want them to question. I want them to understand. And then I want them to choose to participate. Not doing it because they were told, not doing it just because it's duty or frustration. And so they're bitter, angry, and resentful and just doing it out of fear or frustration. But, I get it. Okay, I'm in. I want to do this. They're choosing to opt in. It's so powerful. My wife and I, created a course to help you raise critical thinkers who are respectful but thoughtful, who know how to have those discussions and how to engage so that they're preparing themselves to be phenomenal adults. Comment parent, and I'll send you that workshop.